Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. On someone's special request, I am analyzing this stock Grasim Industries. If you will watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock was taking resistance at these levels. Okay, at these levels in the year 2017, 2017 and 2018, and then it had fallen with the triple top kind of a pattern. This is a very bearish pattern, and as soon as the stock went below these levels, this level acted as a resistance. Again, see here. If I can make you see it clearly, see, this level was acting as a resistance again and again and again and again, and the stock fell down. Okay, after that the stock has meant another swing low. Okay, see, this was the swing low, made a lower high, again fell down, made a lower low, again made a lower high, again fell down, again took this level as a resistance, this level as a resistance, started to fall, make another lower low, again went up, made another lower low, again started to fall. And from the past 1 year the stock is running like anything. Okay, the stock is running like anything without making any lower high, lower low. Okay, and if you will watch this stock, you will find out that whichever swing high or swing low this stock created, see, this swing high, swing low, okay, this swing low, this swing low, this swing low, okay, this swing high, okay, this swing high, and this swing high, right? The stock has certain sort of a history at these levels. See, stock went up, took resistance here, fell down, again tried to went up, took resistance, but eventually managed to go towards upside, took resistance here, okay, waited till here, waited at this level, went up, took resistance at this level, went down, again went up, okay, it went up, took resistance at this level, again came down, again it started to go towards the upside, again took resistance at this level, came down, okay, again started to move towards the upside, and now it has made a lifetime upside at this level. Okay, 1460 cent, and from that, as the stock has came down, it has taken a support at this level, 1272. I'm sorry for the hiccup, maybe someone is missing me so badly. See, this level and this level. Okay, now the stock is actually trading around lifetime high, but it is making bearish candles. So what we need to think, what we need to consider, if we are a buyer, we need to be very careful about this level. Okay, 1470 to 1500 rupees. Okay, until the stock gives a closing above 1500 rupees, this stock won't be a bullish stock. Okay, this is a resistance region for this stock. If you want to take a sell position in this stock, then you can take a sell position when the stock goes towards upside, crosses 1500, and then eventually comes below 1500, then you can short this stock. Until or unless it goes and touch 1500 or around 1495 rupees, until or unless it touches these levels, you should not short this stock, or you should not trade this stock until or unless these levels are seen. Okay, why? Because see, if the stock has to go towards the downside, it will go towards this level, eventually start to come down, make this kind of a pattern, and then eventually it will fall and keep on falling. Okay, this can happen with this stock, anything can happen with this stock. We need to see the future, we need to predict the future. If you won't be able to predict the future, how we will be able to trade tomorrow, right? So you should at least have a view on this stock, and if Grasim goes below these levels, okay, below 1400, this stock will turn bearish. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Grasim Industries. If you like my analysis, then please do like, share and comment, and if you want to join my course, you can join till 10th of April. Thank you for watching.